here. So here this is given, so we can either find the perpendicular distance or we can just take component of force in perpendicular direction. So this component will be 4 times sine 30. Perpendicular distance is 5. The moment is 4 sine 30 into 5. 4 5 is 20, half is 10. So 10 Newton meters in anti-clockwise direction. Hence it is positive. Then this force. So once again we can find the perpendicular component, but if that is becoming complex for you, you can just go ahead and find perpendicular distance, right? So whichever
Yes.
is appearing to be easy, we have to take that path because there is chance of lesser confusion there. So this is a triangle, this length, this angle is 45 degrees. So this is opposite, so opposite will be 7.2 sine 45. So moment here will be 6 into 7.2 sine 45, and this will be in anti-clockwise direction. So again it is positive. So calculate the value, we can put it over there. Okay, let me leave it that way only. We can calculate it. So once again here the triangle has been defined clearly. So let's go with this method itself. So 2.8 cos 60, correct? This is the perpendicular distance. Force is here. The moment will be 9.5 times 2.8 cos 60. This is the moment here. And finally here the other angle has been given to us. The other angle has been given to us. So we need to be careful. So first we need to find this angle. How much is this angle? 180 minus 137. How much? 43. Correct?
Yes.
43 degrees. Now we can either go ahead take a perpendicular component of force, or you can find perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance will come somewhere here. Okay.
Yes.
Perpendicular distance is 6.2 sine 43. So moment will be 8 Newton, which is force. 6.2 sine 43. This is the perpendicular distance. We can just feed in the calculator, we will get it. 8 times 6.2 sine 43. 33.83. This is in Newton meters, and this one is anti-clockwise, so it is positive. Okay.
Yes.